I've just got a warning light that the tire pressure's low. The cost of tires on the Polo GTI. I'll talk through brands, options, pricing, and all importantly, I'm gonna fit them and see if we can beat the claimed 0 to 100 time of 6.7 seconds. Let's dive right in. It's important to get a bunch of quotes, compare brands, quality, and most importantly, the price, which is what I've done. So let's dive into some of those prices. The first quote I got was for Continentals. All four would cost me 9,456. Goodyear's would cost me 9,060 Rand. And Pirelli's would cost me 10,024 Rand. So which brand did I choose to go with? And the brand I chose to go with is none of the ones I've quoted previously. I went for all four hand cooks. I was recommended that these are great value for money, premium, soft, and great to drive with. So what did they cost? Importantly, I'm going to put it up on screen here, but with balancing, wheel alignment, all four tires, it cost 8,981 Rand and 50 cents. Now that we've fitted all four hand cooks, let's launch it and beat the 0 to 100 of 6.7 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Because of all that wheel spin, a super slow 7.1 seconds. But let's go again. We've done it 6.06. What a monster this GTI is. And I wish I could tell you that's where this video ends and the money I'm spending on tires had stopped. However, on my way to filming this video, having literally just launched, got the brand new tires, something terrible happened. All right guys, you're not gonna believe this. I've just got a warning light that the tire pressure's low. I was going down the road, massive pothole, it smashed both. So I'm gonna get out and check what the damage is, but I'm assuming at least one of the tires is gone. Yeah, it's gone guys, and I literally just got these brand new four tires. I was planning to do a video on cost of ownership. I guess let me change it on this busy street, and yeah, we'll carry on with the video. All right, here it is. You can see it's absolutely stuffed. I just don't know where the pothole clapped it. Get the spare on and get to the tire place where I was a week ago.
Oh, and the spare is looking low. What on earth?
The spare is a donut, that's the issue.
The spare is looking too low. Nah, Chom, that's a bicycle tire if I've ever seen one. Cost of ownership on a GTI on a bike with a bicycle tire, 0.
Of those bad boys, because I can't afford another tire. The intent was to just get a good video up and test the launch control, and now we must go buy a brand new tire. Oh, of course it's on the wall of the tire.
Eesh.
So after that terrible incident, more money had to be spent fixing not only one tire, but 2 buckled mags. That total came to 4,705 Rand and 10 cents. So that bringing my total to get 4 new tires, which ended up being 5 and 2 buckled mags, to 13,686 and 60 cents. A massive blow to my bank account and my car when I try to be shrewd and get the best value. But these things happen. such is life and we carry on. I'd appreciate if you like, share and subscribe after watching this video, just to show me some support. Otherwise, see you in the next one.